Hey, what's up guys, it's LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to bring you guys another reaction video. Yes, I know I've disappeared again, because I've been busy with some other stuff in my life, and yeah. So for today's reaction, we're going to be reacting to another Chibi Tiny Tales. It's Hailey's on it. Hailey's on the Disneyland Matterhorn. I know it's another short reaction because I've kind of been trying to figure out what to react to and stuff, and let's start. 3, 2, 1, play. Huh? Oh, that hurt. Uh-oh. Abominable snowman. Yeah. Skydiving now. Okay, so that was Hailey's on the Disneyland Matterhorn. It wasn't like a Disneyland area to me, but whatever. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this Chibi Tiny Tales, and if you did, just hit that like button, share, subscribe, and comment on which video I should react to next, and till next time. Also, I'll be reacting to the other Hailey's on a Chibi Tiny Tale, like one Beta in Love, and I think there was a fortune teller one, which I'll react to in the future. Till next time, LightningDude42 out.